June 15th, A Father's Apprentice. The Bible reading is from Proverbs chapter 4, verses 1 to 10. Verse for today: Hear, O sons, the instruction of a father, and give attention that you may gain understanding. Proverbs chapter 4, verse 1. Do you know what an apprentice is? It is a person who works under a more skilled craftsman to learn a trade. He receives training for his future occupation through hands-on experience by actually doing some of the work under the supervision of the craftsman. Apprenticeship is the oldest and most effective method for learning a skill. In a very real sense, you are an apprentice to your father. Over the years, he has gained wisdom for living through experience. He desires to pass on what he has learned to you, so your life can be even better. As you begin to make decisions and choices that will affect your life, your Father is there to supervise and instruct. His wisdom will make you a better person if you listen and learn. Amen.